power. The bloodline of industrial growth has emerged as a prime sector in the infrastructural growth of any nation and the globe as well. For years, supply of uninterrupted power has been the key factor which not only have helped to the development of the nation but also lit up thousand smiles in the millions of households of our country. Keeping this in mind, one company has arrived as a key player in the manufacture, supply and export of all types of quality electrical transmission products. The name stands as Cabcon India Limited. Cabcon India Private Limited is a well-established ISO 9001-2015 certified manufacturer and supplier of all types of aluminium conductors in the field of electrical transmissions and distributions line products. The company was incorporated in 1991 under the steward leadership of Sri Ballabh Phomra and set up its first manufacturing unit in 1993 at Dokhindari Road, Kolkata. Subsequently, the second unit was set up in 2007 at Dhulagore Industrial Park, Howrah to cater to the growing demands of conductors with enhancement of production capacity of 6,000 TPA, which is now updated to 50,000 TPA. The vision of the founder director Sri Ballabh Phomra has been carried forward by his able sons Sri Madan Mohan Phomra, Sri Vijay Kumar Phomra and Sri Manish Phomra. The company has developed sophisticated infrastructure that assist in carrying the business operations in a precise manner. The manufacturing units are installed with modern machines equipped for high-speed generation of all types of AAC, ACSR and AAAC conductors up to 765 kV line, 1.1 kV LT, XLPE, armored cable and aerial bunched cables to meet the growing demands of the power sectors.
Cabcon India we formed in the year 1991 with the main object to produce aluminum conductors and cables. We have started our production in name of Cabcon brand from 1994 set up our factory unit 1 at Dakshindari Road, which is nearer to Bird Company. Afterwards, we have expanded our capacity and range also. We start our factory at Dulagad, Bombay Road. In the year 2006, Unit 2 was set up and production was started successfully. Our installed capacity is 1 lakh per metric tons. In between, we have got the PGCL approval. With the credential and help of PGCL, we have started our business with the good EPC contractors, company like L&T, Kalpatru, Bajaj, Jyoti Structures.
Factories of Cabcon India Private Limited offices being located very near to the National Highway NH6 and Kolkata Port imparts an additional economic advantage of shortest transit time for movement of finished products. With the ever-rising demand of its products, Cabcon India Private Limited felt the need to further expand its horizon in the sector and in the process has gone a step towards backward integration for its conductors and cable divisions. Cabcon India Private Limited has established their group company Sreyash Aluminium and Alloys Private Limited in 2009 with the production capacity of 22,000 TPA EC and alloy wire rods in various sizes and flip coils. These are used for integrated steel plants and some special categories of alloy rod for the transmission lines. Some of the salient features of the company's product portfolio are its high performance, cost effectiveness, higher load resistance, and effectiveness against high voltage currents. Due to the benefits of using the company's products, ever since its inception, the growth curve of its sales and exports have shown stiff hike quarter to quarter, year after year. The company is privileged to have the services of highly experienced technocrats who ceaselessly work to render for excellence in electrical products.
Marketing is of vital importance to any business, so it is to us. Keeping in mind the government's pledge of power to all, we have equipped and built our infrastructure accordingly. We have an approved vendor of Power Grid, NTPC and various DISCOMs pan-India. Power sector expected to grow at 20% per annum. We are very optimistic of achieving greater heights in years to come. We are a quality conscious manufacturer and believe in establishing trust with our client. It creates customer loyalty and in turn makes marketing very easy for us. As a team, we strongly believe in visibility, credibility and relationships.
To maintain the quality standards of the workforce and to give them the latest knowledge from the industry, the company conducts training and development programs on regular basis for all their personnel. The company boasts of having an in-house quality control laboratory at their premises with equipments like spectrometer from Germany, tensile testing machine and ohm meter, which are controlled by experts to maintain the highest standards in the operations and quality. Varied quality parameters are tested, which includes testing on mechanical, electrical, chemical properties of the finished products. The company has adopted total quality management system in the organization, which is accredited by the Bureau of Indian Standard and ISO 9001:2015. The company is an approved vendor for supply of conductors to NTPC, NHPC, Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, defense sectors, DVC, state electricity boards, and various other power utility sectors.
Cabcon India is now a renowned name in power industry, and Cabcon has contributed a lot in village electrification work across India, either with the supply of various conductors, cables to the government, to the DISCOMs, to the power grid, to the DVC, and as well as private parties like Siemens, L&T, Bajaj Electricals, ILFS. There are many more names in this segment. As well as the biggest thing that we have executed many turnkey projects in the MP, Bihar, West Bengal, Meghalaya. We have supplied, we have erected, and the most important things, we have done the job in scheduled time, and for that we have got award also from the government. I like to say one thing, that we started this Cabcon company in 1991 with hardly 10 employees. Those days we have dreamed to take this company to the sky height, and as on date we have employed more than 2,000 employees in the various operations in various segments, in the turnkey projects, in the marketing, in the accounts, in the finance. Even today we are very keen to expand our business. Now we want to enter in the substation projects and the rural electrification work. Not in the turnkey products even we want to expand our operation in manufacturing also. We want to introduce now ST cables, we want to introduce our now signaling cables for railway electrification, and we want to make some instrumentation cables for the mining, and many more. Still we are very keen to expand the business.
Products of Cabcon India Private Limited are widely exported to East African overseas markets and other Asian countries like Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, and Bangladesh. As a part of business expansion program, we have set up a separate EPC division in 2010 exclusively for execution of turnkey projects for development of rural electricity infrastructure and electrification under different Government of India developmental schemes. We have executed various projects for HTLT distribution lines, including establishing 33 kV lines and 33 kV substations. REC Rajasthan has awarded the quality monitoring works under RGGVY scheme in the state of Rajasthan during 2015. We have completed projects worth rupees 300 crores and executing various projects worth rupees 1,248 crores at present. Any organization grows with the help of the society, and the society's growth will obliquely lead to business growth. Cabcon is believer of this philosophy and thereby has actively initiated and participated in various CSR activities such as organizing flood relief camps, contributing in school fees and education for underprivileged children, construction of toilets through non-profit seeking bodies in the remote areas of Jaipur in Rajasthan. The operational and administrative expansion is also a matter of prime objective of Cabcon's unbeatable expedition through these years of growth and achievement. To breathe and sustain within an environment of modern activity arena, the company opts to have its prestigious city office address within the vicinity of the vibrant new town, Kolkata's acclaimed work hub for business houses. We are having experienced engineers, CAs, MBAs, and highly skilled personnel who are abreast with the updated manufacturing norms. They are committed and dedicated to maintain the specified standards, quality, and safety of Cabcon's products and believe in corporate culture and teamwork.
Cabcon India Private Limited, an ISO 9001:2015 and BBB rated company, BB rated company, is a leading manufacturer, exporter, and a supplier of all types of aluminium cables, conductor, PVC aluminium cables, LT power and control cable, all over India and in overseas countries to meet the growing demands of the power sector in the field of power transmission and distribution line. As a part of business expansion program, we have set up a separate EPC division exclusively for executions of turnkey projects for developments of rural electricity infrastructure and electrification under different Government of India developmental scheme like REC, RGGBY, BRJ, IPDS, DDU-GJY and other schemes. We have been awarded Aero A from NBPDCL, SBPDCL, MEPDCL and West Bengal State Electricity Distribution Company Limited and Madhya Pradesh Power Development Corporation Limited. Now, power sector continues to remain a thrust area and market outlook is quite good. We are confident of achieving the projects by participating in various electrification program and power transmission projects being announced by the Government of India in the development programs.
Today, the company with just 24 years of experience in business has been tremendously successful in catering to the requirement of the electrical industry, not only in the state but throughout the country and beyond. This journey has just begun, and there are many more miles to go towards a brighter sunrise.